Man, I don't even know how to start this video, but 1 year ago exactly, I bought my Rolls Royce right over here and did an intro right in front of VIP Motors. Today, I'm gonna be looking at the Bugatti and showing you guys what's truly possible. Road to Bugatti, episode 1, enjoy. Where do I even start? This is gonna be one of the biggest missions I've ever been on, and this mission is gonna be accomplished for me and my followers. I'm gonna make sure that I achieve this dream, because everyone who's watching this is actually looking at me as a statement, as someone who has achieved it all. But I'm not done yet. This is just the beginning. In 365 days, I will have the Bugatti for myself. This is for me to prove to myself that whatever I put my mind into, I'm gonna be able to achieve it. And this is for you to understand that you should never underestimate yourself. You should understand that you are able to achieve everything that you have ever wanted. And if you don't believe that, you will see it in 365 days. A mission I've put up for myself to actually prove it to you, that I can do it. To prove to myself that I'm able to achieve everything that I've ever wanted. By the will of Allah, nothing is impossible and everything is possible. I'm gonna work hard and I'm gonna make sure that you guys will see every step of the process from the start to finish, to see me having the Bugatti for myself. This is gonna be a documentary that everyone's gonna look at and get motivated and actually change their life for better. This is episode 1 of Road to Bugatti. All of the episodes will be uploaded on YouTube completely for free on my mission to Bugatti, inshallah. I wasn't born into wealth. I had no connections. Just a broke teenager with a vision so big that it even scared me. People laughed when I told them I'm gonna have a Bugatti one day. They said it's impossible. But here's the truth. Impossible is a mindset of the people who quit before they even start. Every late night, every failure, every sacrifice was building something greater. Success isn't about luck, it's about obsession. It's about waking up every day and refusing to settle for average. While they slept, I worked. While they doubted, I believed. This isn't about the car, it's about proving that no matter where you start, if you are willing to outwork everyone and stay relentless, you can have everything that you have ever wanted. The Bugatti isn't just a goal, it's a symbol. The symbol, the dreams, backed by actions, are unstoppable. So for everyone watching, I want you to remember that your current situation is not your final destination. You have a long way to go and you have so many dreams to achieve. Do not quit, do not stop, because this is the beginning to it all. If I could achieve my dreams from nothing to something, you can do it too. My community is a statement for my words. They have taken action and they have actually believed in themselves and they have actually achieved their dreams. Why? Because they have never given up and they have taken action. If you're someone who's gonna take action, this is the best possible time. Click on the link below and watch the second episode.